This is a video instructing how to teach your dog, encourage your dog to pee. Katie, come on. It's pee time.
Katie, pee.
It's pee time. It's pee time.
Pee time.
Like this. Like this.
Ready?
Like this. We did not say make out session. We said pee. She shook her head no.
Ready?
She's like, I'm getting out of this shit.
Pee time.
Katie. Like this.
Come here.
Twerk it.
I don't know how to do that. Pizza.
No, don't sniff crotch.
Here, Katie, like this.
We're a little drunk right now.
Katie, you see this?
Katie, don't just fall. Katie,
Pee time.
Katie,
Get the ball. Where's the ball?
Katie.
Okay. Find it. Find the ball. Find it.
Pee. Is she peeing?
No.
She's running away, dude.
Katie.
Where are you going? Get your ass back here.
Oh, is she peeing?
Oh. Not on the sidewalk. Katie, if you do it on the sidewalk, I'm gonna be really pissed. Oh, yeah!
That's pee.
Oh, no, it's me.
Yay!
Yay! Success.
Katie, let's go.